Hey everybody, in this video I'll show you the procedure on how to fix location service on iPhone 16 Pro Max. To fix location service on your iPhone 16, you simply want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. First of all, what you have to do is ensure that location service is enabled in the settings. For that, you simply want to go to settings, go to privacy and security and go to location services. After which, you want to verify that specific apps have the necessary permissions to access local location data within the same settings. If problem persists, you simply want to check the date and time on your device's settings and turn off airplane mode and restart the device. Find My app as well, that should be able to help you out. If not, what you could also do is check system service, that is if location service is generally on but specific system features aren't working. You want to go to settings, then go to privacy and security. Then you want to go to location services and system services, and there you should be able to fix your issue. If not, you could also try a couple of different steps. That is, if a particular application isn't working, you want to actually try clearing your cache as well as data by going to the app info settings, and then it should be able to help you out. If not, you want to simply restart your device, and then you want to make sure to disable your location for a couple of seconds, and then once again re-enable it. That should be able to help you out. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.